Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Cris doing your London morning analysis for Wednesday, April 24th. Took a look at what happened over this last Asian session, U.S., and the previous London session, and looking at the market sentiment, you can really see there was a big change with the Aussie. There was a CPI miss across the board. They were saying it was the lowest since 2016, I believe. So that's not good, obviously, for the Aussies, so that's a bearish. We also have the pound is bearish with political uncertainty with Prime Minister May, so that's tradable. The euro is still bearish, but it's been more than a few days, so it's not quite as strong because the market tends to have a short memory when it comes to themes and when it comes to directions. So we have the CAD that we can trade in a bullish direction, and we also have the Aussie and pound that we can look at in the negative. So here's the thing about the CAD today. We have their rate statement coming up at the beginning of the New York session. So if you trade the CAD, be prepared for volatility. So it might be a good trade for the London Open because chances are we're going to see further bearishness from the Aussie. So if there's a good retracement, that might be something we want to get into. So, we're not going to know until we look at the pairs and look at the charts and see what we have. So let's go in and see what we're looking at here. So we're going to look at Aussie CAD and pound CAD. So right now, as you can see, there was this huge drop. So we'll take a Fibonacci and see where we're at. I like to go to the 1 day just to kind of see what's a little further left here. So this level right here, you can see is a good support become resistance. So if we go back to the 1 hour chart, yeah, right around the 38% fib. So if it gets up to the 38% fib in early London, I might be willing to take a quick scalp on this one, but I would suggest that you guys keep your stop tight and watch this sucker before the CAD Bank of Canada rate announcement, because that could create further volatility. So let's take a look at the pound CAD. I'm assuming we're going to see a very similar looking oh, this one's interesting. So the direction has really been up for the pound. And I don't use trend lines, but it just helps me visualize to see the direction, and it's definitely up. There's really not a heck of a lot of a retracement that we can trade. You had this spike up, but it's not reliable, in my opinion, for another move down. You had this. It went up to the 50% mark, went down. So yesterday was a good trade. I know Jerry got in at the U.S. session and was able to make some good profits. I mean, the fundamentals line up, but I can't see this going down here to the 73.42 level. So I'm going to stay out. And really, that's my suggestion to you all. If you're not confident in the trade and there's any hesitation, it's best to just sit on your hands, because trust me, there's plenty of opportunity out there to trade. So for me, no trades for today or for right now. I'll keep an eye on this Aussie CAD, and like I said, if it gets up to the 38% retracement here at early London Open, I might be a seller at that point. I'll let you guys know on Skype. But any questions, shoot me a Skype message, and I'll see you guys on there. All right. Good luck trading today.